Nigeria in the 1960s had the Yaba College of Technology (Yaba Tech) established in 1947 and the University College Ibadan 1948 as the pioneer tertiary institutions. Formal and modern education was introduced by British missionaries in the 1840s, with the first primary school being St. Thomas Anglican Nursery and Primary School in 1843 and first secondary school being the CMS Grammar School, Lagos, established in 1859. The country's educational system had undergone phenomenal changes and rapid development in the last 63 years, as the country can now boast of over 12 million primary school pupils, 1.2 million secondary school students, while there are 170 universities in the country, an exponential increase from the one university in 1960 and 5 in 1963. The federal government owns 43 of these, state government owns 48, while 79 are privately owned. In the primary school system, there are 160,925 primary schools in Nigeria, of which 61,921 are public, while 55,004 are private. In terms of dichotomy in 1960, there were 41 secondary schools in the north and 842 secondary schools in the south. Unfortunately, there is still an unfortunate gap in education between the north and the south, a gap that terrorism and banditry is increasing. Nationwide, there are an estimated 13 million children out of school. From less than 1,000 secondary schools in 1960, Nigeria now has almost 30,000 secondary schools. Kwara State has grown its education exponentially as the state now has 8 universities, with one belonging to the federal government, University of Ilorin, one to the state government, Kwara State University Molete, while there are 6 private universities, namely Landmark in Omuaran, Al-Hikmah in Ilorin, Hamad Patigi in Patigi, Summit in Offa, Thomas Adewumi in Oko, and Crown Hill in Ilorin. There are also 2 public polytechnics, the Kwara State Polytechnics in Ilorin, the Federal Polytechnics in Offa, and 4 private polytechnics. In all, Nigeria's educational indices are way ahead of what they were in 1960. Happy Independence Anniversary!